This is part 2 of how to tan a beaver tail. So after you take the tailbone out, you're left with this here, and this is a whole bunch of fat, and you can actually kind of sort of tell the actual skin from the fat. We just want to get all that off, and as you can see down here, it gets super thin, but you can see what needs to come off. You just want to be real careful. Again, you just want to make sure that you got a sharp knife, and you're just gonna fillet it out. It's like taking the skin off a freaking bass or brim, whatever you eat. You know, that's what it's like. So I'll come right here in the middle. You got two sides pretty much. The center has a bunch of ligaments and stuff. I'll try to get that off at the end, but you just want to, you can feel that hard skin under there, and just kind of see how I'm about to just come off right there. So now I've got that. Okay, come over here, do the same thing. It's pretty thick right here, so you ain't gotta worry. And then I'll just take one side. I always get on the edge of a table, but I'll keep the bottom part of my knife right here above that, above the actual tail of the beaver. So you just get off in there and fillet that dude out. And check it every now and again. There you go, like a fish fillet. And then you can come in here on the edges. Make sure you really want to get that fat off, man, because this stuff's got oils in there. Now you can salt it, and then when it dries real hard, you can try to grind it off if you don't think you can get all of it off right now. You know, should be able to. You can even take a excuse me, you can take a hatchet, I ain't got one right here on me, and just scrape it, you know. But you can pretty well get it all off with this knife. Just gotta be real careful, man, because I'm telling you, right around here in this bottom part, you can really get off in that stuff, off in the good stuff. Little piece of fat right here. Carefully. Here, a sharp knife and precision is gonna be your friend. All right, so now we'll come in here, take care of some of that middle. Okay, and now you're left with that. Super thin down here. All right, there's still fat on there though, so we gotta get that off. And I'll tell you, I got this mini flesher, and I'll just show you something. Even though it looks clean right there, I mean, the whole time that thing was just spraying fat on me. So there's a lot on there. So you really want to make sure as you take your time and you get that fat off. You take another knife and just sit here and just fillet on that thing as long as you can. As much as you can. Just get all that you can off of it. I'll do a knife because not everybody has a mini flesher, and if you want one, you can get on Van Dyke's and type in mini flesher in the search bar, or look under taxidermy tools, fleshing machines, stuff like that. But yeah, you just want to keep on getting it off, and we're looking pretty good right here. It's just a, you know, if you do a good job filleting it, you're not gonna have too much on there. We're gonna cut them edges off anyhow. But yeah, that fat, man, that's just gonna keep it from getting tanned, and we don't want that. Okay, so I'm gonna say get as much as you can off. I still got some right here. But then anyway, what you'll do now, I got this salting deal. I'm still gonna work on that one, but you'll just salt it like this right here for 24 hours. And then after 24 hours, we're gonna pickle it. And I'm gonna make another video on that as soon as I got all these right here that I've gone through. And I'm gonna get all these salted and get them, and then I'm gonna make a video on how to make a pickle. All right, and we're gonna put these beaver tails in there, and we'll get it done. But anyway, that's how you flesh a beaver hide, and the next step is salting it for 24 hours. That's it.